Hey everybody, Dan here with Fin Feather for Outfitters. Today we're looking at a new launch from Kel-Tec called the PR57 chambered and 5.7 by 28mm. This is a very unique design. You can see that the slide is rounded. The disassembly is very different. It has some features on here that I personally have not seen on a handgun, as well as a mag that is not detachable. We're going to talk about that and everything you need to know with this handgun, so let's do it. The Keltec PR57 is unique, as I mentioned. Check out that slide. It has a 4-inch barrel with lugs on there, and then you can see here where the lugs fit in extremely tight. 5.7 by 28mm is a 22 diameter bullet, so it's very small, but it is fast and it is loud. Now it is a hammer fired gun, so it has a long double action trigger pull, and then you have to fully cock back that hammer. There are 2 clicks, but that is the second click, so it goes to a full reset. I'm measuring that after 5 pulls at 4.9 pounds. So not bad for a double action. And there's a look at the hammer. It does have 3 dot sights right there, kind of jump out at you. Pretty tall rear sight as well. But those barrel lugs are really interesting. It's interesting to me. The magazine is internal right there. You can load them one at a time, but the magazine itself holds 20 rounds, and that's pretty good. So you could carry this, that would be 20 plus 1. Not bad. But it does offer stripper clips, and you can see there that it has 2 guide rods. So it does have a dual system. I'm going to show you that when it is disassembled. But this one's in OD green. They have all black. They have flat dark earth. Who knows what else? But I think that's about it for now. It's a new launch. They showcased it at SHOT Show, and the Fin has it. Kel-Tec has that unique grip texturing. It certainly works. It's always a little bit wider with the 5.7. But another thing this offers is optics ready. It's got a unique design there. So let me show you what's in the case, and then I'm going to show you how this disassembles, which is pretty fascinating to me, to be honest with you. It comes in this Kel-Tec case, and in here you get 2 stripper clips. Now these stripper clips will hold 10 rounds each. You just push them in there, and then it's 20 rounds. Can't argue with that. Loctite, a little thing of Loctite there, a user's manual, and an optics plate. And it looks multi-footprint to me, but it could ship either just the gun itself, which is how Fin has it, or you can get it from with a package that includes the Viridian RFX 11 green dot. It would have 4 stripper clips, okay, and then it would also come with a holster. That is quite a bit more money. What Kel-Tec says is that most people don't carry a spare mag anyways, and so they can fit 20 rounds internally, and it's strange because you want to drop the mag and you just can't do it with this. But let me show you how it disassembles. You may be impressed. Let's go ahead and disassemble the PR57. We're going to take this trigger and just push it forward, and then we'll have the slide that comes off the frame quite easily. Here we have a dual captive recoil spring guide rod assembly and this plate. And in this plate you can see a lug on the barrel and some grooves there. That is what will rotate the barrel. And there we go. And there's a look at the barrel lugs, completely disassembled. We'll put it back in. We want that top of the barrel lug facing upward, like that. And then we'll put the plate back on, moving it to its rearward position. And then the recoil springs, we'll get those in there. And then it may lock up on you a little bit. You feel it like that, but then a little wiggle will get it back, and then push the trigger forward, and there you go. Reassembled. The MSRP on the Keltec PR57 is $399, and that's pretty much what it's going for at this point, being a new handgun. You can see that it does have a sight hole indicator there, the serrations that go all the way around the rounded slide. Very light. You're looking at 13.9 ounces unloaded, so it's incredibly light. You can feel that. It has the feel of a Keltec P17, which is in 22 long rifle. Great handgun, by the way. That thing, it runs with many different types of ammo. The 5.7x28mm has very low recoil, so the lack of weight should not make a difference when shooting. But $399 MSRP, if you go with that package that I explained, includes 4 stripper clips and a holster and an optic. I don't know if it's installed or not, but it looks like it. That's $570. So quite a bit more, but you'll have to decide. The Finn has this. Check it out. It's an OD green, this one. It's certainly cool, and I actually really enjoyed learning about this handgun. Once again, Dane here with Fin Feather for Outfitters. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.